everybody, welcome back to the channel. We are here in Fort Wayne, Indiana. This is a pretty small airport, really small plane. Nonetheless, let's get down to business so we can get back on the road. Ladies and gentlemen, this is an opportunity to stop at the place that gave birth. This is where the proud members of Marysville, Ohio manufacture one of the most amazing supercars to ever hit. Look at this. This is where it happens, folks. We are here in Marysville, Ohio at the PMC Center. This is where it all goes down. This is the home of all of the PMC equipped vehicles. This is where the NSX Type S production has been completed. This is where it all happens. So we're here in Marysville, Ohio, on the way home. Never know if you would ever get this opportunity again, because we don't live on this side of town, but we are here in Marysville, Ohio. This is where Acura manufactures a lot of their vehicles, including the Acura NSX Type S that just completed production, but it was worth it just to stop and say, I salute you. All right, y'all, let's get back on the road. No better place to unveil this vehicle than at the Acura PMC Center. Making a stop, gotta gas up, and then last stretch home. Let's do this.